told you, are you to the bone? Have I ever called you when you are all alone? And if I ever forget to tell you how I feel, listen to me now, babe. I want you to the bone. I want you to the bone. I want you to the bone. And maybe if you can see what I feel through my bone, every corner in me, that's your presence, the ground. Maybe I